Hey guys, thanks for joining me and welcome back. So today in this video I want to share with you some cute little whimsical pumpkins that I made for the fall. So I used some items that I picked up from the Dollar Tree to create these lovely glass pumpkins. So if this is your first time to my channel, guys, thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate it. Please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell. That way you'll know when I upload new videos. And if you're one of my oldie but goodies, welcome back to the channel. And if you're interested in seeing how I created these pumpkins, just keep watching. So right here is a large bowl that I picked up from my dollar store. It's like a 99-cent store. I picked that up. That bowl cost me about $3. And I picked up these two smaller round bowls. I picked these up from the Dollar Tree. And yeah, these are exact match to each other, except one is just larger than the other. So I'm going to start with the larger bowl, and I'm going to use some Mod Podge, that foam brush. I'm going to use some glitter. This glitter I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I showed you that in a haul. I'm going to use this glitter also, these fall color glitters, as well as some of this diamond wrap. I think the reddish color one I'm going to use. I have some silver diamond wrap left over from an old Dollar Tree haul. I'm going to use that. I'm going to use this little container here just to catch some of the glitter. Now the glitter I'm using today is called Spectra glitter. It's a chunky crystal glitter. I realized that the packages of glitter that I have from the Dollar Tree was not enough to cover this bowl at twice. So I opted out to use another kind of glitter. I'm just applying a thin amount of glue. I want it to be nice and thin. And so I definitely did have enough of the glitter to cover this bowl twice. So that's what this looks like after one coating. I'm going to do it again twice, and I'm going to put that to the side and let it dry, and I'm going to move on to the next bowl, which is the smaller bowl from the Dollar Tree. I'm just applying a thin amount of glue. I want it to be nice and thin, and I'm going to use that orange colored, copper colored glitter that I got from the Dollar Tree. So I'm just going to apply this, cover the whole bowl, let it dry, and then do the process one more time. So now that that's done, I'm going to let that dry, and I'm just going to go back and do the same process again. And I've already went ahead and I've completed a silver one, and this is what that looks like with the Dollar Tree glitter. This took me 2 coatings as well, and it came out really nice, guys. I love the way it looks. So this is what it looks like with the Spectra glitter. So you get a chunkier look. So now it's time to decorate the larger bowl, and I'm going to use the 3-row diamond wrap. I'm just going to cut it into single strips. I'm going to cut out about 12 strips, and I'm going to create the outside of the pumpkin, creating the round striations that a pumpkin has. So that's what I'm doing here, and I'm going to use the diamond wrap to help achieve that. So this is what it looks like, guys. It's completed. And now I'm going to work on the top portion of the pumpkin. So I'm going to use the flower diamond wrap for that. And I'm going to cut them into single pieces. And I'm going to decorate the top of the pumpkin. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to lay out all the single pieces so that I could get the design pattern that I want, and then I'm going to hot glue them to the top. This is a popsicle stick that I picked up from the Dollar Tree last year. I'm just going to break this off with my pliers. Now I'm going to create the stem of the pumpkin, and I'm going to do that using the rest of that diamond wrap. And I'm just going to wrap it around that wooden stick just to create the stem portion of the pumpkin. Now it's time to hot glue the stem to the top of the pumpkin. I really love the way this looked, guys. This came out really, really nice. So now I'm going to do the exact same thing to the orange pumpkin, but I'm going to use rose gold flower diamond wrap as well as the rose gold diamond wrap. And this is the silver one that I finished up earlier off camera. The larger pumpkin, it looks really nice. I love the way it looks. So the only thing I want to show you different about the smaller orange pumpkin is that I'm going to create a stem just from the diamond wrap. I'm just going to fold it over. I'm going to apply a little hot glue, fold it over, and then kind of twist it so it looks kind of twisted and gnarly looking. And then I'm going to hot glue it to the top. Just sort of twisting it just to create a nice like stem on the pumpkin. It's usually kind of twisted looking. I'm going to apply a little hot glue and attach it to the top. I'm going to keep twisting that little stem I've created just so that it can look nice and twisted. I'm applying a single flower diamond wrap right in the center to hold the stem down into place. And I'm going to keep twisting it. And look how beautiful that looks, guys. It looks so lovely. So here they are, guys. I just created a simple backdrop just to give you an idea of what they look like and how you can display them if you're interested in making it. I love the way these came out. My husband loves them. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, guys. And I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate it. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Take care of yourselves. Stay blessed. And I'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye.